guys, good morning for everyone across the world. Not maybe for some people, but most people. Today, as I told you, we're gonna be going to the Turkish National Air Force Museum to see like F-5s, F-104s, F-111s, like everything, every single fighter jet Turkey ever had. I'm excited because some of the planes are like directly like bought off the Turkish stars, the Turkish National Acrobatics team. So yeah, that's pretty much what I am gonna say. Yeah, okay. Why did I start the vlog in my house? Okay, I'll inform you again when we go to the museum. We're nearly at the museum. We have like 10 stops left. Not comfortable, not uncomfortable. It's good. So I will inform you again at the Airport Aviation Museum. Guys, I'm in the museum. Yeah, I'm checking out the World War I section, World War II section. I checked out nearly every single plane here. And the head general of the Turkish Air Force, the Turkish stars, like, let me go in the F-5, like, and I have photos of it, and I didn't record it because I couldn't see. Those are the F-5, no, that's the F-16. Those are the F-5s. Those. Like, the helmet is that and stuff. Like, I am right. Let me actually give you a tour of the planes, the World War II planes. Okay, so I got to go in the F-5. There's F-4s here, like A-4s, F-16s. These are really nice. And all of those stuff. There's a movie cinema here right there. Every single Turkish Air Force plane here. Let me just show it to you quickly. There is a cinema here, which I will watch in a moment, but I'm also checking out the World War II planes. See, one of the most important planes here is gonna be the P-47, because I built this in a set. And then this PSL P-24, which I've read so much about but never saw it in real life. This is the Spangster Mk1 Mark 1 engine of the P-47, I think. The C6 Texan. This one is crashed, I think. And then this is the plane. And this is the Curtiss Wright C-170. This is the Dragon Rampart, and I think last two. This is meant to be, I don't know what this is in all fairness. This is just random. And then this is only the inside of the museum. There's a huge outside. The Ur plane. And then I think we have some stuff here as well. There's a whole, guys, these are all model planes, holy damn. Ooh, and you could, I think, get some of these, right? All the medals. And then, yeah, this is nice. There are so much more planes in there, though. So I'm about to go in the cockpit of a Dornier 28, so let's go! Okay, it's damn hot in here. Let me show you the back side of this. This is the back and this is the front. Everything here works like the thing. Okay, the throttle. And the other pedals here. So I'm gonna get out of here real quick. Really nice plane though. Ran to the something Douglas thing, and it's boiling inside this. Okay, this is how it looks from the inside. It's smelly. Dude, like this is a plane left from the Second World War. Nice cockpit that we cannot go in, sadly. Nice inside. And then top view, back view. Let me give you the front view. The engine view. Nice plane to be honest. So I'm making my way towards the F-104 Starfighter, and it looks absolutely amazing, if you ask me. Let me show it to you. Okay, that's how the Starfighter looks. Really good plane. Loved it. Towards the F-16 now. Fighting Falcon. Very nice in my fairness. I actually have, and I got to go in the Turkish Stars F5, which is right there right now. Okay, this is the F-16 with the giant sidewinder. Okay, this is how it looks. You can barely see inside the cockpit, but one thing I will say, I did see the inside of the F5, which we are going to right now. So I have a couple of pictures in this, which I will show. This is the Turkish F5, and then that's his Turkish stars in Turkish. Very nice cockpit. Then, obviously, the other F5. I'm getting tired, man, from doing all the running. This, I don't know what this is, and they stole the plaque. So whatever this is. Nice. That's the F-84. This is the camera F-84. That's, I think, also the F-84. I think so. With real bombs. Nice landing gear. Yeah, that's the F-84 Thunder Streak. That should be the F-86 then. Yeah, that's the Sabre. Great Sabre. I think that's also the F-86, but it's a photography one, right? No, it's an F-84 yet again. Okay, nice. Now we're headed towards the F-102. This is meant to be a stealth fighter, apparently. I don't know what this is, but it looks really nice. I never actually heard of the F-104, 102 before. Really good. I loved it. Just the way it looks. Man, I'm getting tired. Then we have the F-1. I know it. That's the F-100, I think. Yeah, see? The Delta Digger, apparently. This is the F-100. The Super Sabre. That's another F-100 Super Sabre. I'm getting tired. Here is the other one. And that's what I'm excited for. That is the F-104. Istanbul Airlines plane there, which we will get to pretty soon. This is the F-104. Looks really good, feels really good. It's one of the best actually, but I think it's de-weaponized. These are all training aircraft, which actually are really good, especially that one with the flat cockpit. There's a I could not. Oh my God! Look. There's a fighter jet there. See that? Holy crap! I wasn't expecting to see a fighter jet. This cute little thing. Holy grail of planes. Back in the 80s, if you didn't like get to fly a Phantom, you didn't count as a pilot apparently. Another helicopter, which I have no idea what it is and what about it. Another helicopter. This is like meant to be the Piper Cub. This is Piper Super Cub, so. Wait, what am I doing? Oh, my camera is back. Super Cub. Another F4 there. This is Turkish aircraft that we have no idea about. This for Phantom with the classic little landing door. I don't know what that is in all fairness. We'll check it out. It's working on my alone trying to record this. It's kind of embarrassing now. I'm walking around with a camera just recording planes. Oh, just the S3 tracker, yes. This is the plane we went in. It's a plane called the C-47 Skytrain. That is just there for entertainment purposes. That's a PSL 104. Another 104. It's called the Wilga. This Skymaster. Damn, this is giant, brother. Oh, damn. That's anti-air artillery. It's the Istanbul Airlines plane. And those are Cessnas apparently from what it says. I'm going to close the recording for a second. That is a C-160. And we have, don't know what this plane is. We are going to check though. We have an F4 cockpit. God, I'm getting tired. And then, oh my God. And this is made out of plastic before you ask. That's not metal, that's actual plastic. This is the biggest Viscount. This is the AT2 Canson. That, oh my God, what is that? That's so cute with a big nose. What? Okay, I take that back what I said. How could I say big nose? This is a U-190B Jigsaw. It looks so cute. Oh my God, that is cute. Now I'm gonna head back to see. Let me show you the other planes now. Now I'm gonna like close recording because I'm getting tired. I think you could go in the C-160, I think. No, you cannot. But they did open the tail. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Is the C. Yeah. I wish I could go in it though. It looks really good. Okay, well, I'm gonna dash towards the Istanbul Airlines plane, which is our last one. Guys, I'm going towards the Istanbul Airlines plane and we're going to check what it is in a second. Okay, wait, let me turn it. The plane, wait, like it has A330 landing gear. Sadly, we cannot go in the plane, but the door is open. I could give you a little sneak peek. Really nice. I can't believe they used it. Another fighter jet. Holy crap. It's gone. There's some fighter jets passing by, which is incredible. Cause oh yeah, there's a flight school near here. So if you guys want, I'm just gonna wait here to record another fighter jet. Actually guys, I'm planning on not doing that because there's like one passes by every 30 minutes. And I'm sweating the hell out of here. I love this museum personally. And I guess I could say, see you guys in the next one, guys. Bye. One thing I will say though, if there's any plane models here, I'm planning to buy one. So, bye.